Meaning of godforsaken.
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 Godforsaken. The term godforsaken is an adjective used to describe a place or situation that is desolate, remote, and abandoned, as if it has been forsaken by God or any source of hope or support. The word carries a sense of loneliness, emptiness, and despair, suggesting that the place or situation is devoid of any human presence or activity. It implies a feeling of isolation and abandonment, as if the place has been forgotten and left to decay. Overall, godforsaken portrays the sense of a place or situation that is bleak, hopeless, and lifeless.